Okay, getting interest rate from the amortization table. Okay, this is taken from the 2018 exam, and R, the little r, is quite tricky to sometimes get because this number gives us that interest rate. Now, if we're looking at this question, it says there's been a change just before payment 28. So we've got an interest rate at one point, and then I'll just use another color. We've got another interest rate change here, and they want to know the difference between those interest rates. A couple of tricks they're going to try on you. This is a monthly, but they want to know per annum, which means annually. And with all multiple choice questions, the first thing you should do is eliminate the silly things. As you can see, as we're going down, normally the amount of interest you pay on a reducing balance loan, it says here, should be going down. So if your interest rate suddenly jumps, and we can see that 1002.26 is an increase, therefore it can't be a decrease, can't be a decrease. So we can already get rid of all those. So not B, not D. So it's an increase, and it just looks like it's going to be a decimal place issue mostly on this. And interestingly enough, a lot of people did seem to get the decimal places wrong on the answer. So if we just do the red numbers first to get our R, so we're going to just do 967.08 divided by 230.256.78, and that gives us well, you might on your calculator get something like 4.2 times 10 to the neg 3, which, if you know how to do all this, is 0.0042. So that's our first little r. That actually is little r we're doing there. And then if we do the next one, we're going to do 1002.26 divided by 227785.76, and that equals basically 4.4 times 10 to the neg 3, which is 0.0044. All right, that's another little r. Now remember, these ones are still monthly because the amortization table is monthly. So let's do a quick subtraction. I'll do that in purple. So if you do 0.0044 minus 0.0042, that gets you 0.0002. Still don't seem to have the answer there, and you might be tempted to go for E here, but remember we've got a times by 100. Why? Because it's percent, that percent symbol we got there. And we also need to times by 12 to make it per annum. And if you calculate that, you should get 0.24, and the answer was A. So it's a good trick to learn how to calculate the interest rate from an amortization table. Be very careful. Sometimes you do get that problem that it's not always a reducing balance loan. So make sure you pay attention to the fact, does this say principal reduction? And does your balance of your loan go down or up here? So is this going down or up? Because it's a reducing balance loan, the balance should be reducing. But there have been questions in the past where they've actually done it as an investment, and that can be a bit trickier to work out. So be aware of those questions.